Came in the box, in the bag. I don't think you know. That's how I was gonna hold you.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Alright, my darlings, I'm not gonna hold you, not gonna be any long intro. My boots have arrived. If you've been here for any amount of time, then you know, and I can't hold them up for long because these are heavy. You know what's in this box. So I'm just gonna open them. I have not seen them. They were a good price. I told myself if they went down to this price ever again, I was gonna get them. And they came down to this price and I got them. The lowest I've seen them are $4.75, but they were a little bit scuffed. Let me make sure I'm in frame. Okay. I got my Star Trails, guys. Came in the box, in the bag. I don't think you know. That's how I was gonna hold you. It's been like 5-6 years since I wanted these boots. I got my Star Trails. My Star Trails. Looks like they have a little bit of muck here. I can clean that off. I got my Star Trails, guys. Oh my gosh. I got my Star Trails. I got my Star Trails. This was the last item on my luxury wish list. I'm sure many more will come up. Well, no, actually, no. These have been the boots that I have wanted for such a long time. And I got them. Okay, so how much were they? What is this? Oh, this is they have leather straps? Did I not know that? I've tried them on in store. It's been so long ago. They have leather straps. Did I not know that? Did I know that? Gosh, you know how long I've wanted these boots? So the Star Trail boots, I think, are going for $1,800 or $1,900 on the website. I'm gonna try these on right now. My feet are still swollen from the surgery. I got these in a 40.5. Let me show these to you. Let me not. Oh, I got my boots. I got my boots. I finally was just like, you know what? This is the cheapest. I'm gonna get them. So for those of you who are new to this channel, I am a thrifter, and when it came with everything. I am a thrifter, and when I thrift, the luxury goods that I thrift, I send them on over to the Real. This was purchased. This was a gift for somebody. It's a gift receipt, October 29th. My daughter's birthday, October 29th, 2021's ankle Star Trail boot, the gift receipt. So this person, this is a gift, okay. And they sent along the gift receipt. Why were these so inexpensive? So I thrift, and I'm literally opening this with you guys. So when I thrift, I send my luxury pieces that I find, I send them to the Real. I've sent everything from vintage Gucci, and also clearing up my closet. I've sent things. I've sent vintage Gucci. I've sent suits. I've sent Escada suits. I've sent Saint Laurent blazers. Just anything that I find that is of high luxury that I'm not going to put on Posh, I send it to the Real. When it sells, then I leave it there as a little kitty for me to make purchases like this so that I'm not spending my own money, okay? And so I had about $300 in there. And so I just added another $3. And so no Christmas. This is it. This is it. So these were $6.75. Did I say that? These were $6.75. They were 40 and a half. Were these made in Italy? These were made in Italy. And for me, I know some of you are just like, these are some gaudy ASS boots. You know what? I love it. I'm a daughter of hip hop. I say it over and over again. And so to me, these are measurement above the these are so bad. With an all black. Just wait, just wait, just wait, just wait, just wait, just wait, just wait. Yeah. I got them. I got them, guys. They came with a gift receipt. They came in the box. They came with the dust covers. I just cannot believe that I got them. Now, I'm going to have to be real gentle with this. I want to try them on, but my feet are so swollen right now. I don't want to chance it. But I just want to share with you guys that I got them. The other boots, I can't show you these without showing you the boots that I got last year for a really good price. And you've seen them on videos before, but maybe you haven't. Maybe this is your first time here. But I'm sorry I'm so quiet. It's just, if you know, those of you who have rocked with me for a while know that I've wanted these boots for a good 5-6 years before the lockdown, maybe 7 years. And every time I see them, I'm like, they've come down to like $1,200, $1,100, $1,000. One time I saw them for like $4 something, but they were a little bit scuffed on the back. And I was like, no, if I'm gonna get them, I'm gonna get them. And so I saw these and I was just like, if there's any year to get them, like, if there's anything to just, you know, I don't really ball out that much. I'm very frugal. You guys know this, of course. I'm as a part of this channel. You know, travel is my thing. Being able to go to England for the summer is my thing. So these, I'm so excited about these. These I got last fall. I showed these in another video. These are another pair of Vuitton boots, and it just has a little bit of the monogram here, but I love these as a Chelsea boot. I wore them, and they don't look like they've been worn a lot, but I took these to England last fall, and I wore them all over the place. They were so stinking comfortable. And what I love about these is that it's just a well-made leather boot, and there's just a little itty bit of flex on the back. And then, of course, it has the LV on the sides here. But, yeah, so these are my second pair of LV boots. Am I gonna get another pair? Probably. But not right now. Now, if it's a good price, then possibly. I think now is the time, and we've talked about shopping consignment. During a down economy, a lot of people like to sell, you know, just clean out their closet and make extra money. I've been doing it with my closet set. Sorry, my wig is getting in my face. People are clearing out their closets, and it's not even about money. It's about clutter. Like, people are just like, oh, the clutter of it all. Some, of course, are wanting to make money, but some are wanting to get rid of clutter. So, I got my boots. I'm very excited because this was like the pièce de résistance. I think the only thing I really like want would be to add to my Marc Jacobs Vuitton collection. I want more perforated pieces. I definitely want the Monsterie backpack, which is like a 1996-97 era bag. And that's just for nostalgia. Like, I just have always wanted a Louis backpack. So maybe that'll be like my next thing that I aim for. It's okay. You know what? It's okay to want what you want. And it's okay to have fashion goals and fashion aims. That's what fashion is about, like the fun of it all. And so if there's something that you're just like, you know what, one day I really want that, that's okay. And don't let anybody make you feel any kind of way about it. These boots I've wanted for a very long time. There was a price that I was willing to pay. And there we have it. So yeah, thank you guys for hanging out with me. And I got my boots. All right, my darlings. Love you guys. See you very, very soon. Mwah. Bye.
Go, go.